Spotify announces offline backup feature to streamline your listening experience. Spotify recently announced an intriguing feature known as offline backup, which is specifically designed to provide premium subscribers an extra way to enjoy music while being offline, eliminating the need to install playlists manually. The recently announced feature is all set to hit your devices globally this week, and it's particularly developed to address the situation when users haven't already created their offline music library and are useful in areas without internet connectivity. It automatically generates your personalized playlists while compiling the songs or tracks recently streamed. According to Spotify, it would allow users to easily access any of their favorite music without consuming any extra space. Furthermore, it offers flexibility to allow users to filter and sort songs within the offline backup playlist by mood, artist, and more. The playlists are said to progress with time depending on your music preferences and more. The feature was previously tested last year, which has now been officially announced and is currently available for all Spotify premium subscribers on both Android and iOS devices, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's mandatory for users to at least listen to more than 5 songs and have enabled offline listening in their Spotify app settings. The playlist will soon appear in the home feed when there's no internet connectivity.